Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I am here with this Anamber series day 2 and today's topic is 15 facts about me. As you guys already know, I only do makeup videos and you guys don't really get to know me, so I thought let's do this 15 facts about me so you guys can connect with me, and I hope you guys will surely enjoy this video. And if you do, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel because there's a lot more coming up. So yes, without wasting much time, let's get into this video. So the first fact about me is I'm a 15 December born and I'm a winter baby, but I hate winters because I can't resist cold, and this is the fact number 1. Fact number 2 is I am 5.3 my height is, but whenever people meet me in person and then they say, "Oh, you look short," I don't think so. I'm short and I think I like my height because I get to wear good heels and I really love wearing high heels. So this is the fact number 2. And the fact number 3 is my shoe size is 3, like UK size 3, but you can say US size 5. So I have very tiny legs. So fact number 4 is, as you guys already know, I talk a lot with my camera, and when I meet a real person, I stammer. I don't know why, but I do stammer when I'm talking to someone. Like, I have this thing in my head that I can retake if I'm saying something wrong, but when it comes to a real person, I start stammering. I'm fighting this really badly because sometimes it happens too weirdly with me. I can't really communicate with people and I have this thing in my mind that how can I speak to them, and this is one of the very weird thing about me, but this is a fact that I sometimes stammer when I am talking to a real person, but when it comes to camera I am absolutely fluent. And that's why you don't get to see more bloopers on my channel. Actually, you don't get to see bloopers on my channel because when I'm talking to my camera, I'm just on a flow. But when it comes to a real person, I really stammer very badly. And yeah, I'm trying to fight this, and I think I have become successful in doing this because I have been working on YouTube from last 2.5 years. So whenever I'm taking a long break and after that again I start filming videos and I meet a real person, I stammer. So yeah, this was a little long, but it was my fact number 4, I guess. So fact number 5 is I don't have a single tattoo on my body, but I wish I had, and if I would have a tattoo, it would be a feather, like a peacock feather on my shoulder right here. I wish I had a tattoo, and I don't really want to have a tattoo because I feel it's for lifetime. You can't take it off, you can't rub it off when you're growing old, and there is nothing everlasting, so I really don't want to have a tattoo on my body. That's weird. I even want a tattoo, but I even don't want because of this fact. So I know it's weird, but this is fact number 5. Fact number 6 is my lady crush. Yes, I do have lady crush. I have 2 ladies I crush on them, and one is Selena Gomez and the other one is Kareena Kapoor. Whenever I see her, I just feel, oh my god, she's so beautiful, and I wish I was like her, like at least my eyes, but never mind, I can still wear lenses and make mine like her. But yeah, I definitely crush on both of them. I love Selena because of her style, for her songs and everything she does. I am a big fan. But when it comes to Kareena Kapoor, I adore her to the bits. I love her so much. I can't even explain, you guys. I'm just obsessed with her. Fact number 7. Whenever I'm talking, I move my hand a lot. As you guys have noticed till now or not, I don't know. But yeah, fact number 7 is I move my hand a lot when I'm talking. So fact number 8, I have 3 different email IDs and I use all of them. So the first one, which is like my official one in which I work for YouTube and blah blah blah. Second one is for Google Drive and it makes my work a lot more easier. So yeah, that was the second one. And my third email ID is for my Obsession Ethnic Wear collection, which brings me to my next fact. And that is number 9, and it is I have my own jewelry and clothing line. If you wish to check out, I'm going to put the link in the description box. Go visit my Facebook and Instagram profile for my Obsession Ethnic Wear collection, and let's move on to the next fact. So fact number 10 is I have a lot of friends and I don't talk to them, but there is 3 favorite person in my life and they are my best friends. The first one is Sana. She is in Dubai. And the second person is Abhijit. He is in Delhi right now. And the third one is Pallavi. She is one of my best friends. She is from Kolkata, Mayapur. And all of them are in distance. So I am actually having a long distance friendship with them. But yeah, we don't get to hang out a lot. But they are my best friends and I share each and everything with them. So the fact number 11 is I can't swim, but I love beaches more than mountains. So fact number 12 is really common with many of you guys, maybe if you can relate. But whatever song I like whatever at the moment I love, I am going to play that song and I'm going to play it in repeat. So I keep listening to it till I get over with it. So the fact number 13 is I have 4 favorite colors. One is black, then there is red, there is baby pink like the blush pink, which is my channel right now, and even white. But with white, this is a fact that I can never maintain white. Whenever I wear white, I have this fear in my mind, I'm gonna stain it. So fact number 14 is I have a fear, and that is of losing people, and it can even be you, because I love each and every one of you. I really do, and you all really make this family as my Obsession fam. Like, each of you means so much to me. I am so happy because you guys are there in my life. But please never unsubscribe to my channel, because whatever your girl is doing, you should know that she is gonna come back to you guys on YouTube. I know I always get out of focus. I don't get to interact with you guys much, and even I'm not regular with my uploads, but believe me, I'm trying my best, and that's why I have started the series as well. So please never leave me and go. And I really love you all, and a virtual hug to every one of you. So this was quite emotional, and my 15th and my last fact is I love every single one of you. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And now I really want you guys to write 5 facts about yourself in the comment section below, so I'll get to read, and it's gonna be amazing to know you all. So yes, that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this 15 facts about me, and this was the second video of this series, and I hope you enjoyed. So if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more coming updates. And yeah, don't forget to hit the bell button. You'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with my next updates. And yeah, one more thing I wanted to say. Thank you so much for all the overwhelming wishes on my first video, which was the number series announcement. Thank you so much for the comments, all your wishes. That really makes me feel happy that how much you guys care. So yeah, I love you all. Mwah. A virtual hug to everyone. We'll see you in my next one. Bye.